Thank you for purchasing a new dairy-made DM-2 milking machine. This is a short demonstration video on how to put it together. Let's start with what's in the box. You should have an engine trolley, a bucket lid, a claw set with hoses attached, a handle, a vacuum tube, a pulsator, a pressure gauge, a stopper just in case you need to block off one of the cups, a spare inflation just in case it's ever required, and a cleaning brush set for cleaning your machine. Now let's assemble. We'll start by attaching the handle. Use the bolt provided to fix it into place. Then we'll attach the pressure gauge. Fix it onto the rubber part of the frame with the motor, as shown. Then place the lid onto the bucket and clamp it into place. Next, we'll add the pulsator. Connect the two small hoses coming from the claw onto the pulsator as shown. They need to be tight to make sure no vacuum is released. Then attach the pulsator to the center hole in the bucket lid. Then we'll attach the milk hose. It attaches onto the elbow coming from the lid. After this, attach the vacuum hose. The vacuum hose attach one side to the final hole in the milk bucket lid and the other end onto the machine, as shown. You can hook the claw onto the hook coming off the bucket lid, and then you are done. Your machine has been assembled. Now let's test your machine. Turn on the motor and block off the cups as shown. Then look to the pressure gauge and you will see the pressure rise to 0.045. When it reaches this level, you are ready to milk. Lift one cup, blocking off the bottom hose of the inflation so that you don't lose pressure. And then when you do find the teat, stretch the hose out and the cup will attach as shown. Thank you for purchasing a dairy-made milking machine. We hope you have many days of happy milking.